Hello, this is Ada from Centro. If you've not heard about Centro before, we're based in Lagos and we believe that the world is filled with honest innovators and creative minds whose voices need to be heard without background noise. We also believe that everyone should have access to high quality audio products at affordable and accessible prices. At this point, you're listening to the sound output from the Centro WM8 Pro wireless lavalier microphone, and today we'll be testing out the sound output at different distances with a smartphone. This is me at 10 meters. This is me at 30 meters. This is me at 50 meters. This is me at 70 meters. This is me at 90 meters. Guys, did you hear that? The sound output was fantastic at every distance that was tested. We're looking forward to hearing from you, and we'll be back again with another sound test. This is Ada signing out. Bye.